everyone. Welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So I've been talking all this time and the camera wasn't rolling, so I have to start over. Now, you guys, I am posting the calendar of events, collaborations for the month of August. So go get your coffee and your favorite drink. It is warm in here, so we are going to go through these a little bit quickly, but you'll be able to write these down in detail from the community tab. The whole calendar of August will be posted there. I'm really excited about this one too. Last month I was even more excited because that was my birthday month. But this time I have some things going on that I think are exciting. I shut the air off so it would not disturb you guys while I am calling these things out. I have a mess behind me because I am in the middle of packing. So we're gonna move that story on to Moments of Grace. So let's get started with August 2023 collaborations. Let's start out with quick and easy meals. Guys, if you are cooking, I'm sure you can find something in these collaborations that I create for you guys, by the way, so that I can help you grow. That's gonna fit your niche. I don't think that we are far off. There's always something there for someone. And that's the great thing about this, you know. And one thing I did want to say is they're open collaborations for everyone to enjoy. If you choose not to join in, it's because you choose not to join in. But these collaborations I designed for you, and so it'll help you grow. And the more we spread the news about these collaborations, the more we say them in our channels. We post it in the community tab, the thumbnails. If you're already participating in the collaboration, why not share it with somebody in your channel who might decide to turn around and say, you know what, I think I might want to participate in that. You see, the bigger our community gets, the more people that we have watching our videos, the more people we have liking our videos, sharing our videos. Are you following what I'm saying here? This is really benefiting all of us. And then in the end, we run the playlist. And not only that, we remember that we're using YouTube etiquette. And this is what I try to ensure in all of my collaboration videos. I go back, I watch all of the videos, I comment on all of the videos, I try to share the videos out when I can. But the most important thing is running the playlist, staying positive and encouraging others. This is so important, guys, because we should not be picking and choosing what we want to watch. We should run the playlist. And a lot of times if you have multiple devices, you should be able to do that with no problem. There's a tip. Also, what I normally do is if I already watched the videos and already commented on the videos, and I'm heading out the door, maybe to run some errands, I will go ahead and run the playlist, and then the playlist obviously will stop when the videos stop. And I've already given once or twice, I'm running the playlist, everybody's getting their watch time. So this is pretty amazing if we could all follow suit. This is all for you, you know. I'm trying to help everyone grow, including myself. Guys, I'm not far behind, really. So now, quick and easy meals, remember, is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It doesn't matter what you make. That's why it's called quick and easy meals. Now, you can make this healthy. It does not have to be unhealthy, but it doesn't matter what it is that you're making. You can make a smoothie. You can make dessert, whatever it is you choose to make. Sometimes when I am tired, I've even taken you guys shopping with me at the store for ready-made meals that I can just grab and eat. So you see how we're staying within that niche, and I was still able to go and look at ready-made meals, and that was pretty awesome. As a matter of fact, it gives people ideas. You don't have to eat unhealthy, even though you don't have time to cook. Okay, and I'm one that always tries to reach for unhealthy stuff, which I should not do. But anyway, so that's quick and easy meals. Again, use the hashtag and I'll add you to the playlist. Let's go over to Tablescape Tuesdays. So now Tablescape Tuesdays is my favorite time of the week. I absolutely love that collaboration. It was one of my first collabs. And I'm just really proud of it. It is something that is so much fun for the home decor community, and I'm really, really excited about this collab. Now, Tablescape Tuesdays is a freestyle collab. So what does that mean exactly? Well, it means you can decorate your table any color, style, or theme. Okay, now on the day that we have a guest, then the guest gets to choose what color, style, or theme, and that kind of makes it fun. It breaks it up. Sometimes I'll try to bring in some more people if I have the opportunity. Other times we just stick with the one, but it just makes it fun. It breaks things up. And also the freestyle. A lot of people like to do their own thing, and that's awesome too. The idea here is to learn from each other, okay, support each other, and help to grow. And you know, it's just about growth. And that's the exciting thing about these collabs. So now Tablescape Tuesdays, remember, it's every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the host of this collab is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures. Now, let's move on to declutter my space. Now, if you guys are decluttering space, you're getting rid of stuff, you're in the deep motivation here. If we're not using it, we're getting rid of it. If we're organizing, if we are, I'm not going to say refreshing, we just want to declutter our space. If we're not using something, we want to get rid of it. So we're talking about cleaning, we're talking about organizing, and we're talking about declutter. If it's any one of these type of things that you're doing, you want to post a video up on Declutter My Space. Now, for now, I am posting this every Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time because of the things that I'm doing here in the home. And so it will come a time where this will be monthly, but I think that pretty much right now we're running once a week. And so who's hosting this? The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's myself, and Buckeye Girls Recent Things. We've got a lot of things to declutter, guys, and you won't believe the crafts that I have to declutter. It's just amazing. I could open my own Dollar Tree store. That's crazy. Okay, so now let me tell you about this exciting collaboration. This is called Fall for Jesus. Fall meaning the season fall for Jesus. I absolutely love it. So what do you have to do? Well, you can decorate an area of your home for the fall. You can, if you don't feel like decorating an area, or you're a DIY person, you might want to DIY something. The catch here is that not only are you decorating an area or you're doing a DIY and we're revealing it, but we're going to add a component to this. We're going to go ahead and add our favorite scripture, which is going to make this amazing. I cannot wait to have you guys in this collaboration. Also, let me know if you want to be one of the co-hosts for this collaboration. I have asked a few people if they want to co-host with me, but this is an amazing collab and I would love to see this come back every year. Okay, so Fall for Jesus is going to be a fall decorate with me or DIY mention your favorite scripture. And Melissa from Buckeye Girls Recent Things and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, are hosting this collaboration. Now the final thumbnail will come out closer to like a week before. I'm going to say by the end of the week, we should have exactly who is going to be co-hosting with us so that you guys can mention them in the video. And this is set for the 16th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And just so you know, guys, as a rule, I release my video, except for Tablescape Tuesdays, because that was my first one. That one releases at 6 p.m. But my other videos, I have them set to release all at 7. So it's very rare that one of my videos release earlier than that, unless it's a YouTube issue or an accident. I normally release my videos at 7. And so this is a good idea. A good thing to keep in mind is that whenever we're releasing a video, Anna normally releases them at 7. Or you can just send me a message if I accidentally don't write that down. So remember, Fall for Jesus is on the 16th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now let's move on over to Decorate My Space. Now, Decorate My Space is the easiest thing. Guys, it's so easy that how could you not want to post a video? So any area of your home, I don't care if it's a corner, I don't care what it is, any area of your home that you decorate, that you refresh, maybe you decided to paint an area or just change out decor. You want to record it, guys, and this could even include a tablescape. And again, this is Decorate My Space, and that is always on the third Friday of the month. Every third Friday of the month at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I host Decorate My Space, and I host that with Tablescapes by Candy. I'm pretty sure I said that right, Tablescapes by Candy. And both of us host this together, and then we have some co-hosts. So we definitely want you guys to jump in. We want you to spread the news. Remember, we want you to post this in the community tab. We want the communities and the collabs to grow, because not only is it fun, and we love doing it, okay, and we change out decor constantly and refresh, why wouldn't we want to record it and upload it to a playlist? And again, that is a very fun collab. That actually took it was very, very similar to Sophisticated Saturdays, which is no longer with us. Now, let's go over here to the next one. We are talking about Cozy Corner or Vignette. And this one is absolutely amazing. I absolutely love it. If you do a cozy corner in a kitchen, if you're doing a breakfast bar, if you're doing a candy bar, if you're doing a hot chocolate bar, if you are just doing a vignette, I've seen people do a cozy corner in their bathroom. Wherever you decide to do a cozy corner, record it. Now, if you decide you don't want to do a cozy corner, but you love doing vignettes more, well then record it, because this is called Cozy Corner or Vignette. And I absolutely love it. And guess what? I have some special guests coming in for you for this, and I have to put this out. But I will let you know that right now, I think I have confirmed Creations by Simone, Debbie Bubbles. Now, Debbie Bubbles is probably going to be with us monthly. This is a monthly collaboration. It's the last Monday of every month. And I do have a special guest coming in, and it's Antoinette decorating. That is amazing. I just absolutely love Antoinette. And so she is going to be our guest host. We also, again, have Creations by Simone, along with all the other co-hosts. And we have Debbie Bubbles. And so I'm absolutely excited. So Cozy Corner. That's the last Monday of the month at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, let's move on to Thrifted Creations. Now, Thrifted Creations is a thrift flip collab. So if you take anything in your home and refresh it, you redo it, you can give it a paint job, or you decide to just do something different with it. This is called a thrift flip, whether you've thrifted it, whether it's a recyclable item, I don't care what it is, trash to treasure. This is the collab for you. I absolutely love doing these collabs, and so why not host my own? Like I said, in these collaborations for the month, in my community tab, you are bound to find something that's going to fit your niche. Trust me. So what do we want to do there? Exactly what I just said. Refresh an item, record the video, and I'll upload it, and I'll add it to the playlist. I absolutely love this one. So that's pretty easy. Again, if it's a thrift flip, a thrifted item, obviously, something in your house that you just want to change or refresh. If it's a recyclable item, if it's a trash to treasure, this is what you want to do, is post it here. Now, Thrifted Creations right now is every third Saturday of the month at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure and keep an eye on the community tab, because if I should change the date because of other collaborations, normally it will be this one. Unless there's something that's going on during the week that collides with something else. But keep an eye on the community tab and the dates in case I change the dates, okay? And normally I'm constantly making announcements, so I'm pretty sure you know. Also, the thumbnails, I also post those in the community tab or on Instagram in my chat room. Now I'm really excited for this one. So guys, we have wreaths galore coming back for the fall. So I have the fall edition wreaths galore. I'm so excited about wreaths galore. So it is the fall edition, and it is candy corn theme. Isn't that, it just sounds so much fun. So remember, it's a fall edition. The theme is candy corn, and our guest is crafting in Mimi's world. So she's gonna come in and host with me, and then we have some co-hosts. So for right now, we have At Home with Lisa, and I believe we have Annalise Cupboards, and we have a couple of other ones. Again, I believe I posted the thumbnail for Wreaths Galore in my, I'm not sure if I posted in my community tab, but I know I posted it in my chat room. But all of these things, guys, I'm gonna update you on. I constantly update in everything, constantly do reminders, and I will constantly be updating the thumbnails as we move along in this collaboration. Now, Wreaths Galore is a very big collaboration, and I cannot wait for you guys to join. And how fun is it to do it in a candy corn theme? I absolutely love it. I love doing these collaborations so that I can help you guys to grow, and not only in community, but we have to help each other. This is what the Lord asks us to do. We help each other, and we just encourage each other and build each other up. This is what God asks us to do, is to love each other. And so that's exactly what I want to see done here. We like to, I take pride in each one of these collaborations, to follow YouTube etiquette and to watch you guys grow. I don't want anybody ever walking away saying this didn't happen or that didn't happen and I was disappointed. Never. That's not going to happen so long as I'm on top of it. And if it does happen, it's something I do not know. So if anything like this ever happens, please send me a message and let me know. Also, don't hesitate to remind me of something that I might have said to you, because I have so much on my mind. And now I have third year school, going back to school. Yes, I am announcing that I am going back to school, so this can get very intense. And so when I take my periods of rest and I am going back and rechecking everything, I might forget something. And so please don't hesitate to remind me. Anna, you said this, and believe me when I tell you, I take my pauses and I regroup, and I try to get this information out as efficiently as possible. And I believe I'm doing that. If I am not doing that, please let me know. I try to do things as good as possible, and I don't always do it perfectly, but I try to do things as perfectly or as efficiently as possible. So those are the collabs for today, for the month. And like I said, make sure and look at the community tab, because the whole calendar will be posted there. I'm going to make an attempt to go ahead and copy and paste that over in my chat room. If I don't get a chance to do that, or it doesn't allow me to do that properly, then I'll have to do it in a little, I'm not really sure how I'm going to do that over there. But you can rest assured that in my community tab, you can get it all there. Write it in your calendar. Don't forget the dates, and definitely don't forget when these collabs go up. And if there's any one of these collaborations that you'd like to host, then don't hesitate to send me a message, guys, because I would love to have you. I don't always get to each and every one of you, but if there's one particular one that you love, please let me know, because I keep you in mind. Remember that I try to place you guys first, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, and make sure and click like, share, comment below. And yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing evening. I'll see you in the next one. Amen.